Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM or memory tray. This prevents short circuits. Once done, apply focused heat at the glass edge for about 30-60 seconds to soften adhesive. Use 60-80 degrees and keep it moving so you don't overheat. Then attach a suction cup near the edge and lift gently while inserting a thin pick. The goal is to create a small gap so you can slide a triangle pick in. Make sure to keep screws organized as you proceed. Once you have a gap, continue cutting adhesive methodically. Insert picks on opposite sides and alternate to maintain even tension. You do this to avoid bending the display or flex cables. After opening, locate and remove the display bracket screws, then disconnect the battery before any other cable. Use a plastic spudger and pry up connectors at a shallow angle to avoid lifting pads. Take photos of screw groupings and connector positions so you can restore the. After replacing the panel, reconnect the display and temporarily attach the battery so you can power on and verify image and touch. Do this before sealing forever. If it works, power down, disconnect, apply fresh adhesive or pre-cut strips, align the frame carefully and press evenly for 2-3 minutes so adhesive bonds. Once sealed, reinstall screws and the SIM tray. If something goes wrong, reopen and check connectors for full seating. Loose display, battery, or missing bracket screws are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.